Hello everyone, I am Asit and this is my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about transformer efficiency. So what is the value of a transformer efficiency? So efficiency is equal to output power divided by input power, or you can write as output power divided by output power plus losses. So there are two major types of losses in a transformer, that is iron loss and copper loss. I denoted Pi as the iron loss and Pc as the copper loss. Here I have written the efficiency equation at full load condition. So what is the value of the efficiency at full load? Equal to V2I2 cos phi 2 upon V2I2 cos phi 2 plus Pi, that is iron loss, plus Pc, that is copper loss. So here Pc is the full load copper loss and Pi is the iron loss. As you know, iron loss at any load is constant, and I2 is the secondary current at full load, V2 is the secondary terminal voltage, cos phi 2 is the load power factor. I have written here the efficiency at full load. The efficiency of a transformer at any load is V2I2 cos phi 2 divided by V2I2 cos phi 2 plus Pi plus Pc, and here I2 is the value of the load current at any value of the load, and Pc is the copper loss at any value of the load, and Pi is the iron loss which is constant, and cos phi is the power factor at any value of the load. So the equation remains same, only the notation will changes and the value of current and power copper loss will change. So what is the condition of maximum efficiency of a transformer? Here I have written the condition Pi is equal to Pc. So at maximum load maximum efficiency, our copper loss will become iron loss. You all know the efficiency of a transformer varies with the variation of the load. So practically, when a transformer is connected or erected, it is connected various types of load at its output, that is called as consumer load, industrial load, and many other loads. So these loads will vary throughout the day. So in some times we will have a maximum load, and in some time we will have minimum load and other values of load throughout the day at the output of a transformer. So as the load varies at the transformer output, so its output power will vary. So as load varies, transformer output power will vary, hence transformer efficiency will vary. So at a value of load, our transformer attains its maximum efficiency. Not all the values of load will lead to the maximum efficiency condition of transformer, but transformer will have maximum efficiency when our copper loss is equal to iron loss. So we know copper loss is equal to I2 square R02. Here I2 is the load current and R02 is the equivalent value of the transformer secondary resistance. That is, R02 is the resistance of the transformer with respect to the secondary. So at maximum efficiency, copper loss will become iron loss. That is, Pi is equal to I2 square R02. So what is this I2? This I2 is the load current when efficiency is maximum. So what is the value of the load current at maximum efficiency? This is Pi divided by R02 root over. So this is a very important equation, that is value of secondary current at maximum efficiency is root over of Pi upon R02. So you remember this condition and this equation. Now we will learn at what fraction of full load maximum efficiency occurs. So let X be the fraction of full load at which maximum efficiency occurs. As copper loss is directly proportional to the square of load current, so at maximum efficiency copper loss will become X square Pc. Here Pc is the copper loss at full load. So as X is the fraction of full load at which maximum efficiency occurs, so full load copper loss will become X square Pc. As we know, at maximum efficiency iron loss is equal to copper loss, so this X square Pc at maximum efficiency condition is equal to the Pi, that is iron loss. So what is this value? That is X. Now X at maximum efficiency is equal to root over of iron loss upon full load copper loss. So this is another important equation. You can memorize it. Thirdly, what is the output kVA at maximum efficiency condition? मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी के टाइम ट्रांसफर आउटपुट का केवीए क्या होता है? सो आउटपुट केवीए एट मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी इज इक्वल टू एक्स, दैट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ फुल लोड एट मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी इनटू फुल लोड केवीए, दैट इज पीआई अपॉन पीसी रूट ओवर इनटू फुल लोड केवीए. So what is the normal range of transformer efficiency? So transformer has a very high level of efficiency because our transformer has no rotating parts. So transformer is a static device and it has no rotating parts. So we have no mechanical losses in case of transformer, unlike other electrical machines, that is alternators, generators. We have no rotating parts in case of a transformer. So transformer mechanical losses, that is windage and friction losses, are absent. So we have no friction and windage loss of a transformer, that are the mechanical losses. So hence transformer has a very high efficiency and it ranges from 95% to 98.5%. So normally our iron loss is 1% of the demand power or rated power, and copper loss is 5% of the demand load. These are the general typical values of transformer efficiency. So we have to remember here three important equations, that is kVA output at maximum efficiency is equal to Pi upon Pc, that is Pc at copper loss at maximum load, root over into kVA at full load, that is the rated kVA, which is different for differently designed transformers. So for a given transformer, we will find its kVA rating at its nameplate. So if we have a rated kVA rating and we know the full load copper loss and iron loss of the transformer, so what is the value of kVA at efficiency maximum? It is nothing but the root over of Pi upon Pc into kVA at full load. This is the second equation, that is at what fraction of the full load our maximum efficiency occurs. So the value is root over of iron loss upon copper loss at full load. This is the copper loss of full load. And the first equation, that is condition of maximum efficiency, that is when Pc, that is copper loss, is equal to iron loss, maximum efficiency occurs for a transformer. So this is the value of secondary load current at maximum efficiency condition, that is root over of Pi divided by transformer resistance with respect to the secondary. So this is all about transformer efficiency. I expect you find this lecture useful and many of your doubts will be cleared by watching this lecture. So if you any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section. So this is all about today's class. Thank you. Namaskar.